Belacoin, why is that red? It was a sell, and I think it's gone higher from there. Belacoin, 3 months. I had it as a sell out of here. This was a flag down for me, but I was clearly wrong. And one of the things that Phantom of the Pits says to do is to assume you are wrong off the start and only hold a trade if the market proves you right. So everybody starts trading assumes that they are right when they put on a trade, but we should be assuming that we're wrong. So even when I say, oh, I think this is going down, I should be assuming that I'm wrong and have plans for if I'm right and if I'm wrong. Actually take the time to make a plan for that I am wrong, not if I am wrong. Assume that you're wrong. And I would have been able to quickly flip my position when I was proven wrong and jumped in on this because it's clearly breaking out on strength. So then this now becomes a bull flag and a pendant that is telling us to get into this market after it's come back. And I've talked about this a lot of times where the market comes up and fades back. That's the time to be getting in. It's showing you that it's staging higher, and some big whales have been taking bites out of the market. And then they get quiet and the miners start to sell. But there's an interesting one, and I don't know where it's going to go from here, but it's broken higher. Belacoin. It was one that back here I was calling that it was going to go higher. It was one of those ones that was showing strength when everything else was showing weakness, and I was calling for it to go higher, but didn't buy into my own advice when it was laying flat like here. So great to have these as an example for future consideration when looking at any other charts that are making this kind of pattern over a long period of time for months. Look at these buys. This is telling us something that we could have really profited from. And I did point it out, I just didn't take action on it. So talking about these trades is a lot different than actually doing them. That's why I go through and talk them all through and then review what I've said and then review what I did and compare so that I can improve and become a fantastic trader.